Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can write custom code in WordPress, so let's get right into it. Now, the way that you write custom code depends on what you're trying to do. You can edit your site's own HTML code and CSS code, and you can do that by accessing your files through a file transfer protocol, or in whichever way you can access your PHP files, for example, your WordPress content. PHP, you can enter that and then modify your HTML that way. I don't have a way to enter it since I don't have an FTP client and I'm on the free trial version of WordPress, so I can't really use it, or on the free plan rather, but there are alternatives which I am going to show you. Now, to write custom code, what you can also do, and this won't be an option for me, but I'll show you guys exactly where to go. If you go into appearance and then go into customize, you'll be brought to this page over here where you can customize certain things, and at the bottom you'll see your additional CSS, where you can add CSS code to make your site look different and change the CSS of your site fundamentally. Alternatively, if we go into appearance and go into the editor, there are also blocks which you can add, such as the embed blocks and the code blocks, which you can use to further add code. So for example, if we go into the blocks, go into the code, add the code block wherever, and here you can write your own code. You can also, as I mentioned, use embeds. For example, embed, you have your custom HTML, which you can also use, your YouTube embed, your Vimeo embed. You can use all these embeds to customize or to add custom HTML code as an embed, and that should be very useful, and you can add code that way. As I mentioned, you have the HTML code right over here. You can change the preview, or from the HTML to the preview. HTML will of course show you the code. Preview will show you what that code looks like when it's actually activated on your site. And yeah, those are some of the ways you can add code to your WordPress site. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.